Peace be with you, stranger. My name is Muhammad Hamad. I am an electrical engineer and I have now decided to study lots of startups. I shared them on YouTube so that I can learn myself and you can also learn about it. So, the startup that I have chosen is called Sleek. Let's learn about its background, its founders, how much time it took to reach $10,000 per month, and what we can learn more about it. Sleek was built and launched in 2025 by Mattia Pomili and his co founders. Sorry if I pronounced the name wrong. And this product reached $10,000 of monthly recurring revenue in only 6 weeks of launch. And one more thing is reported on the Indie Hackers founders page is that this milestone was achieved without spending money on the paid advertisement, relying instead on organic post on Twitter and community engagement. So what Sleek does, it is an AI assisted mobile app design tool that allows users to convert their app ideas into polished designs quickly. Users describe what they want and AI generates screens that can be iterated and exported to apps like Figma or Code. Its mission is to allow non-designers and founders prototype mobile app interfaces faster than traditional workflows. Here's a little bit about the founders and their background. So the product is associated with Mattia Pomili. Again, sorry if I am pronouncing it wrong, and his friends who has built a similar tools before, and they used the code from the previous experience into building this app, and they launched the version 1 with like 6 weeks or so, and they were able to do it because they had prior experience in building design tools. Now let's talk about our favorite part, that is from launch to revenue on the timeline. So we know that this app was built from the previous code and experience, but community posts from the founders indicate that it reached $10,000 of monthly recurring revenue within 6 weeks of launch, and all the traction, or you can say the marketing they had done, was by organic social media. Now the next thing is how they were able to grow it. So what they did was they went to Twitter and Reddit. They post about the product and also gave demos of the product. And by doing so, they were able to get a lot of traction, and they used that to grow their product to this level. And finally, what we can learn from this league. So here are three things I would like to mention. First thing is that if you need to have focused what problem you are trying to solve. Second thing is you can use your prior experience or the code you have already written. In this case, we have the person himself and also the co-founders. They had prior experience. And the third thing is that they used the organic market. They did not put a lot of money on the ads to check their app, but they already had a lots of engagement from Twitter or Reddit. So these are the things we learned from Sleek, that they were focused on solving one problem. They had prior experience of code. And the third thing is that they used organic social media. So one more thing I would like to add is that if you are building a product and you're solely focusing on building it and not marketing it, then how lots of people will know that you are building this? And you may fail, you may get burnout. So this is really important. You need to post on X, Instagram, and or maybe YouTube, that what product or problem that you are trying to solve, so that people know that it works and it can solve their main problems. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and I wish you very good luck if you are building something, you are trying to build any business. And I would also like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, come follow my socials and have conversation if you want to. And I also provide a service, that is I help people create YouTube and Instagram videos. So if you're interested in any of that, or simply just want to talk to me, just reach out to me on social media. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.